Shall we begin?
What's up, YouTube? This is CJ.
I'm Sarah.
And we're here tonight to announce that we are participating in the Picnic Collaboration. I think that's what we're calling it. And that is a collaboration of 6 or 7 other YouTube channels. And we're going to be bringing recipes. That was your cue.
To say what?
I don't know. To say whatever.
Picnic themed recipes. So recipes that represent summer, or that you can take to a barbecue, or picnic themed outdoor summer foods, keeping with the keto lifestyle.
Yeah, that's it. So that we will be. So tonight is our teaser video, and then next Thursday, I believe, we will put out the
actual content. So this is a preview. Stay tuned.
Yes, stay tuned.
Don't go to the concession stand and get any goodies. Stay here and watch for the actual.
You don't want to miss anything.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching CJ's Keto Kitchen.
Bye.
This is not a drill.